Now let's experience the 4th generation Carnival. When the passenger opens the vehicle's sliding door, a spot lamp mounted on the side of the door turns on and illuminates the ground underneath it. You can use the light of the lamp to check the ground and access the vehicle safely. Let's take a look at the Bluetooth multi-connection function that can connect 2 devices at the same time. On the infotainment system screen, tap Setup to find the device connections icon. Go to Device Connections, tap Bluetooth Connections, and tap the Add New button at the bottom left of the screen to display the hands-free calling and audio streaming functions. Select the desired function, press OK, search for the vehicle name on the Bluetooth device, and connect. The authentication number and connection request message will appear on the screen and the Bluetooth device. Press the Connect button on the Bluetooth device to pair it with the vehicle. Set the media by pressing the Media button on the left side of the emergency light by tapping the media icon on the screen. Easily change the streaming device by tapping the Bluetooth device switch icon. The rear seat climate control can also be adjusted from the driver's seat. On the infotainment system screen, tap the rear climate controls icon to activate the function. By moving the temperature bar on the screen, you can adjust the temperature and control the airflow direction and fan speed with precision. Temperature, airflow direction, and fan speed can also be set automatically by pressing the Auto button. Of course, the air conditioner can be operated independently from the rear seat. The panel above the second row houses the temperature controls, the automatic adjustment button, the airflow direction selection, the off button, and the air volume controls. Below the first row center console transaxle, there is the control switch for heating and ventilating the first row seats. Press the switch up and the heating wire and the cushion becomes hot. The temperature can be adjusted from level 3 to level 1. The seat's temperature is automatically adjusted to prevent low temperature burns. Push the switch down and the fan installed in the seat will circulate air and keep the seat surface comfortable. The airflow volume can be adjusted from level 3 to level 1. The seat warmer and ventilated seats can be turned off by holding the switch up or down for about 1.5 seconds. The left side of the luggage space has a cabinet-type luggage tray, which can hold car wash and automotive supplies. To use it, stop the vehicle and adjust the third row seats to the correct position. Hold the grooved level to easily open the pivoting tray. In the door, there is a 2-tiered tray. Use the band to secure objects that may shift. You can also use the extra space inside to nearly organize the vehicle's necessary supplies. In the 4th generation Carnival, assist handles were made with foam to help third-row passenger access the vehicle. When boarding, you can get in comfortably by grabbing the recess in the third-row wall. When getting out, the armrest can support you as you exit the vehicle. Meet the smart 4th generation Carnival.
Kia, movement that inspires.